Make radio ads, podcasts, and audiobooks easily using Tom, our American text-to-speech voice. Tom AI Voice is one of our 600 text-to-speech generators in 90 languages. Tom sounds like a young American adult, in late 20s or early 30s, and speaks with an upbeat characteristic voice. Tom is a great choice for screencasts and tutorials. Here is an example.
To update the channel customers table with data from the customer tax overrides table based on the matching identity, you can use the following SQL. Here's a breakdown of what's happening. For each row in channel customers, the query checks whether a row with a matching identity exists in the customer tax overrides table. If it finds a match, it updates the tax registration ID and country columns in channel customers with the values from customer tax overrides. The exists clause ensures that only rows with matching identities in the customer tax overrides table are updated.
Because of the upbeat tone of voice, Tom is also a great choice for weather, sports, and music news. Here is a quick example.
San Francisco weather forecast for Saturday, August 28th. A typical cool and foggy morning, with the iconic marine layer enveloping the city. Visibility may reduce to less than a mile in some areas. By midday, expect the fog to retreat, revealing mostly sunny skies. Temperatures will peak at a mild 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Evening temperatures will dip to a cool 56 degrees Fahrenheit, with light breezes from the west. Remember to carry a jacket, as San Francisco weather can change quickly, especially with the influence of the marine layer.
As a youthful voice, speaking cheerfully, Tom can be a good option for reading short stories out loud. Here is a sample.
As Fred stared at the toaster, it blinked a digital message. Please insert bread and existential purpose. Fred was by now rather accustomed to misbehaving kitchen appliances. Not another philosophical kitchenware episode, he thought. The fridge chimed in with a melancholic hum. Life is but a transient frost upon the midnight windowpane. Fred considered whether it was time to switch to a diet that required less conversation with appliances, or perhaps to simply give in and discuss Kierkegaard over breakfast. After all, it wasn't every day that one's toaster pondered the meaning of life.
For more information, check out Narakeet.com.